There are so many more people, the new generation of people coming on to and doing various activities. All these activities are creating, as I said, the opportunity is that, wow, the market is really booming. It's growing phenomenally at a great pace. But on the other side, the challenges are that how do marketers and how do advertisers really reach these kind of audiences and then segment them into what they want and what they don't want. That's essentially where our product idea lies or starts from. Creating actionable insights out of a huge amount of data which these guys are creating and allowing that data to get utilized back into actionable marketing campaigns is our VServe Smart Data platform. We constantly in real time generate humongous amount of petabytes of data every single day and process the data into actionable insights called personas, which is essentially defining a group of individuals. That group might be as big as 1 million people or as big as 100 million people. Group of people, or what we call personas. And when these personas are utilized in a marketing campaign, I mean, you can go to an auto category, and I can just quote an example of going to any big auto guy and say, I have people who are auto enthusiasts as a persona, who have shown an intent or shown an interest in an auto product, and which essentially creates a good pool of intent-led audience, which is perfectly relevant to a category like that. That's essentially and the most important part of it is real time. It's not a data which is stored in some database which is just lying and it has no relevance today. That essentially redefines the whole process of marketing on mobile. And why mobile? I think I've already answered it. I'm sure whatever we say, these audiences are only on mobile. They are only in mobile, and more the web audiences are also moving to mobile. So that essentially creates a huge opportunity. Emerging markets, on one hand, we are saying, wow, great, booming, growth of market. But on the other side, the advertisers are very, very cost conscious. They want their ad dollar ROIs to be visible real time in every transaction, in every customer acquisition they do. And they also have a lot of other engaging metrics which they are working on. For example, a lifetime value of customer and what are the customer doing after the acquisition. And they're relating it back to the source of the customer. So for example, if we serve as a source and we deliver certain number of customers to a particular client, how are they doing in the client's ecosystem is directly proportional to the quality of what we serve has delivered for them. And that essentially is where we are driving all our forces together, because if I understand who you are, what is your needs, how is your attitudes towards a particular category or affinities in that sense, that gives me better relevant contextual targeting possibility, which is good for the brand, good for the people like us, good for the publishers we work with, and most importantly good for the consumer, who is not receiving unsolicited communication all the time and is getting actually which is relevant to him in the context he wants to look at it. I think that is the fundamental differentiator which we are offering to a market like Africa. And I'm actually very excited to announce, as I did in the morning, that we are ready to go with the product live in South Africa to start with, and very soon we'll be extending it to a lot of other markets as we go ahead.